Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one of Ghanaians favorite dish, kontomire, also known as PALAVA sauce. And just look at the amazing ingredients or the amazing protein I'm going to be using. In fact, I'm going to list this in the description box, so make sure to check it out so that you can make exactly how I did mine and enjoy the way I did. After washing all of this, I'm going to add in some blended ginger and garlic paste just to marinate it for some time with water and allow it to marinate for about 5-10 minutes, and then now cook it up in a different saucepan. I'm going to heat up some palm oil, add in some onion, and don't forget the mighty Kobe or Momoni. Yes, I also went to add in some blended ginger, garlic, and that was it. Now for this recipe, we are not adding tin tomatoes. It's a no. Yes, so just add in your blended tomatoes and pepper mix, and then you are good to go. Trust me, this combo now on the side, I went ahead to mix in some Agushie, added some stock of the meat to it, and then added some egg. This is like a thickening agent, and for this particular mixture, you can't avoid it. Like, you can't miss it. My stew is well fried, so I came back to add in my meat. And the reason why I added the stock or added the meat as well to this stew at this point is because I want every bite of the meat in the stew to have that flavor, that sweetener, that it could taste so well. That's what I went in for. And when I came back to check it, it was all cooked and looking very nice. So now the next thing is for me to add in my thickening agent. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my agushi and egg. To get this consistency right, please make sure to cover up your saucepan fully, not halfway, and trust me, you're going to get it evenly imbued. Just look at how it came out. Okay, I added my spices at that point because I want it to the flavor in the egg and all of that. Like, I want every bite of this stew to have that flavor, that combo flavor. You understand what I mean? Yes. So I came back and look at how beautiful the thing like. I mixed it up together. Then I came in to add in my smoked mackerel. The mackerel is quite delicate, and so I added it at the last bit so that it wouldn't tear into pieces into the stew. So it was the perfect timing for me to add it to it. And then later I added in my kontomire. This kontomire has been in my freezer for like about 3 months ago, but I still got it this fresh. So if you want to know how I got it this way, just check up there. I have the link up there. Check it out, and trust me, it's going to save you a lot, because you can actually make a lot and put it in your freezer and use it for about 6 months or even up to a year, and it's still looking very good. And so guys, like that, our kontomire PALAVA sauce is ready. I only went in my garnishing, which is the onion and some pepper and some seasoning cube, and that was it. My PALAVA sauce or my kontomirestew was ready to be devoured by anyone by all standards. You can actually enjoy this with some rice, some yam, some cocoa yam, or some plantain. I prefer to use mine to enjoy rice. And so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment for me, just to support your girl. And I'll come your way again with another beautiful recipe. But until then, just take care of yourself and let me know how you enjoy your own. Bye.